we got two of the dealerships downtown, American Implement and Ag Power, to start letting us do pre-delivery for them, set up on new equipment.
I've sat down with Dr. Mills, visited about partnering up with him and making equipment technology more accessible to the technical college.
We've actually allowed them to pre-deliver some of the new equipment that has come out and get it ready for field use, which gives them more hands-on and be able to work with the equipment that is fresh and new and coming out of the factory.
With the partnership with them being that we send down the newest equipment that as soon as we get it off the line, works out good for the student because they do get to see some of the newest technology, so the students have a hands-on ability of the latest and greatest.
Really good thing as far as bringing opportunities to the kids, be around new equipment, be able to set up monitors, tires.
Checking for oil leaks, test running the machines.
Mounting weights, mounting tires, setting the axles to the correct parameters.
And kind of a starting point, you know, maybe spark their interest with a new piece of equipment that maybe they wouldn't have got the chance to work on while they're here. Also lets them get to see the new stuff that's out there that they're going to be working on when they leave this program.
So much of the training that is needing to go into these students today is not just mechanical. It is electrical, it is software, and they have to have a basic understanding of that to be able to go out and perform jobs in the current market.
For Northwest Tech, it gives them an opportunity to have access to some of the newest equipment out there and get an idea for what's going on in the industry wide.
This is really a great thing for us because this directly demonstrates the bond with industry that we have. We don't have to wait for advisory meetings to get industry input. Industry is willing to come into our department, help the kids out because they know when the kids leave here that they're going to end up with some of these guys.
These students, once they learn this, once they're around our equipment, hopefully that they have an opportunity in the future, and we have an opportunity in the future as they come through, as they graduate, that we potentially have jobs for these students, and they at the same point are interested in what we're doing in the agriculture community.
We're currently looking for technicians, and having a partnership with Northwest Tech will benefit us because the students get a hands-on experience of the equipment that we work on and that they may have never seen before.
These guys are going to do stuff they're familiar with. I think for the students, you know, it opens our eyes up to what's here now.
The way that we can help a student at the college is by giving them the tools and the assistance to work with us to better their career, to where when they would graduate and come out of the college, they would feel more confident and have the ability to work on the equipment that is here at hand up to date.
Probably the biggest benefit for us is having the equipment set up and having trained technicians coming out of school.
One of the big benefits of this whole program is the simple fact that we do so much live work.
With the resources that we're able to provide, it benefits us having these students go through learning some of these processes and being able to apply them to real-world job applications. We're wanting to give them a jump start on their career and really a head start. The marketplace is very competitive right now. There's lots of choices for employers, so the better job we do qualifying these candidates and giving them the proper tools, the more successful they will be in the long run, as well as these businesses will be in the long run.
We have so many companies coming in here, you know, wanting our students.
We see that a technician that we hire coming out of the college has a head start on the equipment that we're working on for today.
They're making tremendous strides in their field to get the proper tools and information to these kids.
With partnerships being set up now, I think the students from here on out do have a better chance to be ready to, when they go to work for a dealership, be able to get right in new equipment, get it set up right, and get it out the door and have at the end have the customer happy and pleased with his equipment.
Right now the demand out there is crazy high. These guys have some tremendous opportunities.